maga maga sa. Did you notice what I was doing here? I sang 2 lines from the famous song Kannamochi and then I sang the Swaras that are part of the melody. This, in theoretical terms, is called notation forming. Notation formation reflects the depth of knowledge in a particular ragam of a composition such as Swarasthana in the raga and knowledge about kala pramanam, which is known as rhythm in common terms. Just like Western singing has do re mi as the solfege, similarly in Hindustani and Carnatic singing we write the notes as sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha and ni. Many times in Carnatic singing training, we start by singing the notations of a composition first to be accurate with our pitch. For example, one of the early compositions that we learn, Pahi Pahi. Pahi Pahi Gajanana Pa 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 Ma Pa Sa Re Ma Pa. And another popular kriti, Swagatham Krishna. Madhura Puri Sadana Mruduvadana Madhusudana Giha Swagatham Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna Ga 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 pa 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 da 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 pa da pa ga re ga re Swagatham Krishna. Getting better into notation writing can be done by learning to write the simple musical forms like Geetam, Jatiswara and Varnams. Before we end this video, I would like to give you a little exercise where you can practice notation forming. So listen to what I am going to sing and try to write down the notes for it in the comment section. Govinda Kanna, Gopala Kanna, Madhava Kanna, Yangal Yadava Kanna. I will give you a hint. The first swaram is Sa. Now try to write the notation for the rest of the line in the comment section. All the best and I'll see you in the next video. Just reminding, hope you have subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any new updates or videos from us. Keep practicing, keep singing.